And again, if we did that, they're not going to go why. So we need to help them understand why. In teacher terms, what's the reason? Why can't you say, I have been very sick?
It's not still going on. It happened in the past. And been
Okay.
in the past.
Okay, so how would you put that in terms of a student could understand that?
Well, you have one was, so you should continue the pattern of was.
Okay, so you could show them that. That would be a helpful thing to show. So you could standard in the same verb tense, right? And what's the reason though? Why can't you use I have been sick very here? You're right.
You're not
Yeah.
a child.
You're not a-
Yeah, child.
Okay, so this is finished, right?
Yes,
Mhm.
it's finished.
So you could just say use what? What do you want them to use here? Use.
Simple
Simple
past.
past.
Okay. And when do you use simple past? We heard that this morning. When do we use simple past? When? In simple past for completed actions, say finished actions. In the past, right? So often as students learn a new verb tense, they have to go through this rebalancing where they try it out and find out sometimes it just doesn't work the way they think it works. So here would be a student who has overusing it, they've learned it, and now they want to use it all the time. So again, I think it's also helpful to show that this is finished and in the past, so this would be finished and in the past too. How about number 2? I live in the house since 1989.
We have
Okay, so something missing here, so here's a problem. What do you think about the student's attempt?
They're using present, so they're getting that they still live in the house. But
Right.
they're not understanding
But there's really no attempt to try the new
Yeah.
thing here, right? There's no
Mhm.
attempt. Where is the present perfect here? I don't see any evidence of it. Okay, so the student has not understood this. So we have to give back the explanation. So why do they need present perfect here?
it. Since they can.
Okay, so this is a
Since
clue.
it's
So
still
one of those
there.
clues we've seen that Krista told us about. There are words that seem to trigger this. But other than that, why do they need it here?
Because it's up to now. It's a continuing time up to now.
Okay, so when an action what? Starts
In the past.
in the past
And continues.
and continues to
Be true or
to
the
the
present.
now or the present. Use Use what?
Present
use present perfect. Do you think they know what the form of the present perfect is?
Passive.
They could use a reminder, which is what's the pattern we need here?
Subject. Plus
Mhm.
have. Plus past participle.
Sorry. So what's our exact sentence here would be?
I
Subject, I
have
have
lived.
lived. And then since 1989. What else might help students understand this besides a written explanation? What's another trick we've learned?
Timeline.
A timeline. So what would we put on our timeline if we wanted to show it a different way?
1989.
Okay, so here's now,
Mm-hmm.
and here's 1989. And what time frame are we looking at here?
From 1989 and on. Mm-hmm.
Right, so here's the present, here's the perfect, and when it's ongoing, that's when we need the present perfect. So this would be present perfect, yeah. So if we tell students just you say live, what are you meaning when you say live? I live. Where are you on the timeline here? You're right there. Okay, so if you want to talk about this too, then you have to use your present perfect here. Okay, take a look at number 3. I've been here 4 years. I've been here 4 years. Say it fast. Correct way.